Right lads, I'm your host, Man And His Kebab, and today we're out here in nature. So today, quite simply, we're just going to take a walk around and have a look at some of the key features of nature. So without further ado, let's get going. Right lads, we've just been alerted by a member of the public of the possible presence of herons. You know, big birds. You can see one right there. That's one big ass bird. And if we turn to the other side of the bridge, those fucking ducks. Bro, nature is awesome. Members of the public are starting to judge me for trying to pet a duck, but we roll. I'm no bird expert, so I have no idea what to say. Pretty big tree. Swans are cool animals, but I'm also kind of afraid to get close to it in case it bites my fucking leg off. Scary. Lakes are often seen as peaceful or serene places, but this narrative is simply not true. In fact, lakes are the prime battlefield in a turf war between the Nine Tray Ducks and the Eastside Seagulls. Now this is a waterfall, a primary feature of erosion. This exact waterfall, in fact, featured in the world-renowned movie Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull. It looked a lot bigger in the movie. War is pretty important, you know. Without it, we'd all look like Prince Philip. See that bridge over there? That's a prime place to propose to your girlfriend. It's also a great spot to file for divorce. Right lads, I'd like to thank you guys for watching whatever this was. I'd like to thank my good mate Sammy. And we have to finish this video with a good message. So, save the bees, save the trees, and go Team C. That almost rhymed as well.